Children love to talk about their work, but it's not easy. Even for teachers, it's not easy with youngsters to find the right moment and the right tone of voice to talk about a piece of work in. And when you've done it well, you feel really proud of yourself. But if it's there in front of you, the work's already been chosen, the comments are already on it, the scaffolding that you're giving a parent to have a positive conversation with their youngster, it makes it a lot easier. And I think that's what we should be doing. Schools shouldn't be scary. Reports shouldn't be scary. Helping your child shouldn't be difficult. It should be something that we're facilitating and welcoming. Children are in their homes far more often than they're in school. And it's just a really under-tapped resource for schools to engage parents in the process of education and help them help their children to do a lot better. So I think the two are totally different, and I think FreeFlowInfo wins hands down in terms of what you'd be looking to do in this 21st century. I think it's just a new way of working.